Hi guys, had a question on my old video fixing the Rexel Staple Wizard electronic stapler. I had to 3D print a bush to fit where the old one had fallen apart. I think it was either silicone or rubber, and it had actually just disintegrated, so I 3D printed one to replace it. So this video is just showing the Tinkercad file, and you'll be able to read the dimensions off it. So I click on each dimension there, and you can actually see the dimensions in millimeters. I'll put a link to the Tinkercad file in the video description, and links to the old videos. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.